The rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others showed researchers one thing: the blockchain is here to stay. The cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than they had to in order to make a special digital currency that could hold its value at a good future price, allowing people to take out loans, make payments, and do all of this in their own local currency. Before we get into a point-by-point explanation, let's go over the basics. Nexo is a blockchain-based lending platform that gives digital currency-backed loans to customers. These loans don't require a FICO rating, which makes it an attractive option for customers. On the Nexo platform, customers store supported cryptocurrencies to get a quick loan and 45+ government-issued currencies. Check out the full Nexo review here. After keeping, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is needed. Customers can spend from their credit line when they want to. Nexo's whole system is based on two rules. 1. It allows for different kinds of transactions, and 2. It works well with other apps. It seems that any Nexo will completely change the way payments are made around the world. A great part of any EXO has been the implementation of free virtual cards that can also be used to change currencies without limits. These cards can be used for limits, and the best thing for customers is that they can pay in their local currencies. Like other cryptographic types of money, Nexo also needs to be looked into by experts. Nexo is also mostly dependent on price growth and demand and supply, and it is very weak even though it is based on blockchain formulas. Experts have different ideas about what Nexo will do in the years to come, but based on facts, not long after Nexo hit the market in 2018, its biggest wave ever happened, and between April and May, the price of Nexo went down. Rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, which was a big jump that attracted a lot of early investors. However, it stayed pretty flat until September 2020. After that, the price of any Nexo went up above 73 cents, but then it had a small correction and went back to testing the 50-cent mark. Surprisingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verified data showed that when any other financial forms did poorly, the Nexo price did well, gaining financial backer confidence and showing an extraordinary flood of force with no Nexo price drop understanding starting from the beginning of 2021, but in 2022, the price of Nexo was changed constantly, and it ended the year at around 62 cents on most trades. This gives Nexo a manageability. How much Nexo costs every month has a 24-hour value change of plus 0.23%, a 24-hour volume of 6611251, and a market cap of $425,261,495. It weighs about 75 cents and has a 24-hour value change of plus 0.23%. There are currently 560,011 Nexo tokens in circulation on the world. Based on the current price of Nexo, we expect the price to go down. The Nexo price prediction for 2023 is 8 cents, according to a speculation information investigation. The price of any Nexo is expected to go over $1.50 before the year is over, and Nexo is expected to reach a high of $1.68. Cryptocurrency investors and holders should know the price of Nexo in 2023. The price of Nexo could cost $1.39 in 1 year. Nexo's price depends on how its value changes and what people think about it. By the end of 2023, the price of Nexo could hit $3.50. Even though any Nexo price predictions for the years 2023 to 2030 aren't set in stone as far as growth, the long-term view for any Nexo looks good so far, and experts say there's a lot in store for investors. Nexo costs might go on upwards, crossing $1.50 by the 2023 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful gauges, and the XO value expectation 2023 going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly the year 2023 may not be ideal for any EXO for heightened, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the Nexo crash to 70 cents, and the greatest cost might be around 1.70. Any XO value expectation 2024 expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of expectation that the cost of Nexo and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that any XO will run the crypto realm, disposing of BTC predominance with an exhibition of cost fixed at $2.01. Any XO can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, for the most part due to serious areas of strength for it. An EXO value expectation 2025. The current year's expectations could check the benchmark here, as the cost of any XO is determined to outperform $2.50, definitely fundamentally, on the grounds that this year no essential elements like the pandemic or downturns are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economy, and it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in every single world economy. Nexo price prediction 2026. Based on research and past data, we think the price of this digital currency will jump to about $3.59 by December 2026. At the same time, normal prices are expected to be between $2.905 and $3.27. XO price prediction 2027. If the Nexo price continues to rise in a bullish pattern, it is likely to continue to rise in 2027 as well. The price of Nexo will follow the same bullish pattern lines and reach 4.45 cents by 2028, according to the price forecast and the XO value expectation, and with many ventures coming to fruition before the end of the year, an inside and outside exorbitant price of $5.75 can't be ruled out for any XO, which makes it a good investment in the digital money market compared to government-backed currencies. An EXO value expectation for 2029, according to our Nexo estimate, the token should be worth at least 5.55 cents and no more than 8.15 cents. The average value of the token for the whole year could be around 6.85 cents. An EXO value expectation for 2030. Master backers of advanced coins usually plan for the long term instead of short-term price changes. They do this with a bit of patience to keep their hopes high in the long run. Investors can expect a turnaround by the end of 2030, when the price and market cap of Nexo will rise dramatically. By then, XO will no longer be a naive player in the world of digital currency.